Hello candidates, I am going to dictate you a passage of 800 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. So please get ready for the dictation. The dictation will start after 15 seconds. Food Corporation of India is a public sector undertaking which was established by the Food Corporations Act 1964. It came into existence on 1st January 1965. The FCI is functioning under the administrative control of the Department of Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India. The functions of the FCI primarily consist of procurement, storage, movement, and distribution of food grains on behalf of the central government. The food grains are procured at minimum support price and are distributed at central issue price. The committee observed that during the long journey since 1964, the FCI has been performing their mandated functions across the country. The committee have made a comprehensive examination of the FCI as an organization and touched upon many issues pertaining to the management of the organization and those related to its functions in the areas of procurement, storage, movement and distribution of food grains, and also maintenance of buffer stocks with due regard to ensure food security in the country. The committee also observed that the Government of India had set up a high-level committee in August 2014 under the chairmanship of Sri Santa Kumar to suggest restructuring of FCI with a view to improve its operational efficiency and financial management and suggesting measures for overall improvement in management of food grains by FCI, reorienting the role and functions of FCI in MSP operations, storage and distribution of food grains, and food security systems of the country, and also to suggest cost-effective models for storage and movement of grains and integration of supply chain of food grains in the country. The HLC in their report had given major recommendations on key issues related to procurement, public distribution system, National Food Security Act, stocking and movement, buffer stocking operations, and liquidation policy, labor direct subsidy to farmers, end-to-end computerization, and the new phase of FCI. The Committee on Public Undertakings, while examining FCI in detail, have made an in-depth analysis of the recommendations of HLC also and found that very fruitful and concrete suggestions had been given by the HLC for improvement in the functioning of FCI. The committee endorsed the suggestions of HLC and expect the government to take conclusive action thereon for the benefit of the general public. The Committee on Examination of various aspects of the functioning of FCI, as has been narrated in Part 1 of this report, have given their observations and recommendations in the succeeding paragraphs and are hopeful that these will be implemented by the FCI and the government in right perspective so as to bring about significant improvements in the functioning of the corporation so that the benefits of the government's policy reaches to the poorest of poor and marginalized sections of the society in a fruitful manner. I, the chairperson, Committee on Public Undertakings, having been authorized by the committee to submit the report on their behalf, present this 12th report on action taken by the government on the observations or recommendations contained in the third report of the Committee on Public Undertakings on Food Corporation of India. The third report of the Committee on Public Undertakings was presented to Lok Sabha and laid on the table of Rajya Sabha on 29 January 2021. The action taken replies to all the 34 recommendations contained in the report were received from the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution on 30 July 2021. The committee considered and adopted the draft report at their sitting held on 21st December 2021. The minutes of the sitting are given in Appendix 1. An analysis of the action taken by the government on the observations or recommendations contained in the third report of the committee is given in Appendix 2. The committee, while dealing with the vacant positions in the Board of Directors of Food Corporation of India, had noted that as on 3rd December 2019, out of the 12th post, 3 posts of directors were laying vacant on the board of FCI. The committee had recommended that the vacancies in the board be filled up immediately as per the provisions of Section 7 of the Food Corporation Act in a time-bound manner without further delay. The Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution or FCI, in their action taken reply has stated that the appointment of vacant posts of non-official director is under process. On the issue of the 3 posts of independent directors, the committee find from the replies that it is still under process since 2019. This is despite the fact that Department of Public Enterprises maintains a data bank of candidates and is aware of the vacancies arising on the board of CPSUs from time to time. The committee failed to understand as to why appointments to the boards are delayed when the date of vacancy was known in advance to DPE and Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, and data bank is also maintained.